Hi everyone, welcome back to Swiss Home Garden. Chitra here. In this video, we will be making a Dutch oven roasted pumpkin soup. Let's begin with the recipe. Soups are our favorite during the winter and autumn months. And for this soup, we will be using the sweet pie variety of pumpkin. I have chopped here one full pumpkin of medium size. You will also need one big onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of Himalaya salt, freshly ground black pepper about a teaspoon, half a teaspoon of paprika, freshly grated nutmeg about quarter teaspoon. We will be frying the vegetables with olive oil. You will need 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Garnishing will be freshly grated cheese. I am just using very little of Gruyere cheese and fresh cream. First, heat the cast iron pan and add in the olive oil. Next, add the chopped garlic and onion and saute it until it turns translucent. Next, add in the chopped pumpkins and fry until it starts to coat. We will be making a vegetable stock for cooking this pumpkin soup. I am using a ready store-bought vegetable broth powder and mixing it with hot water. Once the pumpkin has coated, add in the vegetable broth and cook it on low heat for about 30 minutes. Once the pumpkin turns mushy, switch off the heat and add in the seasoning and the spices. Use an immersion blender to mash the pumpkin soup to a creamy texture. I usually mash the vegetable soup because my daughter is very fussy and this does the trick. So this is a nice way to get your fussy kids to eat all the vegetables. Serve the hot soup with grated cheese and fresh cream. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe. I post one new video every week on food from scratch, Swiss country living, gardening and natural recipes. Kindly visit my blog post for the full printable version of this recipe and leave your comments both here below in the description box and in my blog. Give this video a thumbs up if you like. It helps with the YouTube algorithms. Until next time, bye-bye.